Although Hanwha is well established in South Korea, we still see ourselves as relatively new players in the global arena. And IAVS provides a forum to raise awareness about Hanwha's offerings and for us to understand the needs through direct interaction with the most senior of warfighters attending the conference. To understand Hanwha's mission statement in the defense domain, you must first understand the origins of Hanwha. Hanwha was founded in 1952 during the middle of the Korean War in the area of industrial explosives, initially to help rebuild the nation as it was being destroyed from war. But due to the existential threat to the north, such capabilities expanded into military applications. Since then, although Hanwha continued to expand in numerous other domains, Hanwha, in close collaboration with the Korean government, has continued to place efforts developing the essential needs of the war fighter. And these solutions are organized into three categories: ammunition and PGM, land systems, and defense electronics. You may be aware that Hanwha has been down-selected in Australia for the Land 400 Phase 3 program. The program calls for almost 500 units of infantry fighting vehicles in several variants. Hanwha's offering for this program is the Redback, named after an extremely venomous spider native to Australia. The Redback is the culmination of proven solutions combined together, leveraging decades of experience in design and development of armored vehicles, artillery systems, air defense systems, and launchers. It represents the optimization of the iron triangle: mobility, protection, and lethality, with an optimal turret, optimal power pack, and a protection level that has yet to be seen on the battlefield today, all overmatched for the survivability of the soldier. We have taken into consideration the size of the modern warfighter and the amount of gear they need to carry. We have taken into consideration emerging technologies needed in the sensor and information game. We have taken into consideration future growth in power requirements to be able to add onboard systems during the life cycle of development. And we have taken into consideration the weight of all of what I just mentioned by using a 1,000 horsepower engine with suitable transmission. Although not the specific focus of this armored vehicle conference, we also have our K9 Thunder, which is a 52 caliber, 155 millimeter self-propelled howitzer. Even outside of South Korea, this product has already been adopted as the artillery system of choice by numerous countries, including Norway, Finland, Estonia, Poland, India, and Turkey, totaling almost 1,800 systems in current manufacture or already deployed. The K9 Thunder, as deployed in its current state, known as the K9A1, uses a 155mm 52 caliber cannon. A semi-autoloader, has an initial deployment time of 30 seconds, is able to fire 8 rounds per minute, and reaches ranges of over 45 kilometers with standard 155mm ammunition, all in a protected turret and chassis that has large growth potential due to the 1,000 horsepower engine and companion transmission. In the very near future, 2021, the improved version, the K9A2, will feature a fully automatic loading system, automatic fuse setting, automatic charge handling, and a range of more than 75 kilometers using extended range ammunition available from a number of OEMs. Even greater rates of fire and improved ride comfort, reduced road wear using rubber track, and will have the capability to fire remotely. If you recall the countries that I had just mentioned that have adopted our K9 howitzer, in all but 2 of those countries, the K9 is being manufactured in-country by either partnership with local industry or with the military themselves. For example, in Norway, Poland, and Turkey, it is in direct collaboration with the government. In India, it is in partnership with a major defense corporation, and it was in the news that they have just exceeded the halfway mark for deliveries, having delivered K9 number 51 out of the total 100 contracted, months ahead of schedule. The South Korean government is extremely supportive of defense export. For this reason, we are able to offer very comprehensive transfer of technology, ranging from manufacturing setup to quality control systems to acceptance testing. All of this through extensive training programs in Korea and in the user nation. We even suggest to have the localized K9 have its own name. In Norway, it is called the Vidar, the Norse god of vengeance. In Finland, the Mukari, which means sledgehammer. In Turkey, it's called the Fırtına, which translates to storm. And in India, it is called the Vajra, a mythical club-type weapon that has both the properties of a diamond and a lightning bolt. For the Redback IFV in Australia, we have established Hanwha Defence Australia, and we are now undergoing massive activities in collaboration with state and federal governments to have local Australian industry be part of the Redback supply chain. And this is in line with the government's AIC program, which stands for Australian Industry Capability.